Hi guys, it's your girl Makamabuko, and this is my first hair tutorial on crochet braid. I'm not a professional. The hair oil I used is a homemade ginger and aloe vera hair oil for hair growth. My hair have been combed, and the hair extension is a free tress 3-in-1 hair extension, and it has been pre-coiled. And the hair net was bought from a local beauty store close to me, and the hair gel I used it's a got to be hair gel because my hair is very thick and it gets really hard to slick down. So here we'll part our hair in sections, and before the gel will be applied to the front of my hair, I have to spray a little water to moisten the hair, and then I brush the front of my hair to lay it down. But this process got really hard. This process got really hard to do because my hair is very thick. That's thick Nigerian hair, and the front of my hair is almost done. So over here, I'll put on my hair net, while the excess part of the hair net will be cut out before we start the crochet process. So for this hairstyle, it's not a must that you section your hair in part. If you have that soft hair texture, you can actually pack your hair in bun and then you start the crochet method. And then for the hair, we've started already. You fix your crochet pin and then you bring out the loop. You can pass the hair 3 times and then you draw it down to make sure that the hair stays in place for long. So let's continue. So let's run this again. You fix your crochet pin. You take your hair extension. It depends on the type of hair extension you're using. You pass it through the crochet pin. You close the loop. You draw it out, and then you wrap your hair 2 or 3 times, and then you push it back down to stay in place. It depends on the type of hair extension you're using or the type of hairstyle you want to make. So let's continue. Pass the crochet pin through your hair, fix the extension, close the loop, bring out the pin, wrap your hair 3 times or 2, and then you're done. That's it. Oh my goodness. So you pass the crochet pin through your hair, fix the hair extension, close the loop, bring out the pin, fix your hand, through that loop, and then you wrap the hair 2 times or 3. It depends on the hairstyle you're making or the hair extension you're using, and then that's it. Making a crochet hair is not hard. It's very easy to make, and it's beginner friendly, and that's it. Oh my god, this hair really turned out nice and I like it. I'm just feeling myself. I like the hair. Oh, pre-coiled tress hair extension. I never knew it would be this nice. And it turned out great. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm just feeling myself, please. If you like this video, please do share, like, comment, click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Really, you want to show yourself. Bye. You like my hair? Yes. Aww, thank you.